There's a growing push for two Georgia prosecutors in President Trump's election interference case to be removed from that trial. Friends and supporters of Fulton County DA Fani Willis say she and Nathan Wade's alleged romantic affair likely damaged the case, and it's now a distraction. Elizabeth Pran joins us live with more details. Hey, Elizabeth.
Hey, Markie. Yeah, so Nathan Wade is one of her three special prosecutors, and we're talking about Fani Willis. And her supporters and friends are saying that the prosecution team does need a shakeup because this is causing a huge distraction to a case that is really going to impact the future of our nation, right? So we're talking about Norm Eisen. He is the former ethics czar for President Obama and recently the House special counsel during former President Trump's first impeachment. So Eisen is not pointing his finger at Willis, but he is at Wade. And he had an interview over the weekend where he said in part, "My view is that the law does not require Mr. Wade to step down, but I think it would be the wise thing for him to voluntarily consider doing so." So we asked our legal expert.
When you have a prosecutor in the center and the crosshairs of this type of criminal process, who is now being called to question about her impartiality, her fairness, and the constitutional rights of the accused are not being called into question, that is very problematic for Ms. Willis. She has a great reputation. She's very well regarded in the legal community in Georgia. To have this type of blemish on her record is problematic. And if it is compromising the prosecution of individuals that are accused of criminal conduct, then of course she really should step away voluntarily.
Yeah, this is a big case. So critics claim that they use taxpayer funds for lavish vacations and dinners together. And they say while Wade does have a robust resume and he has time on the bench, he isn't qualified for this job for a RICO case. So Willis has been scheduled for a deposition tomorrow in regards to Wade's divorce proceedings. But there's going to be a judge listening to her arguments to squash that today.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.